So my name is Marli. I work with Boston Quality Cleaning, and we are here with Mrs. Maruska, that she'll tell her experience about our work in her office.
Well, let me see, where do I start? Where I start is when I met Marli and Jean. I was already very impressed because I was interviewing several companies, and when they came, they were the nicest, actually. And they were actually the most attentive when I was letting them know what we needed, which was very important to me because the company that we had previously didn't seem to take into consideration everything that we needed. Then when I hired them, they were everything I've always asked, they've always been very compliant, very nice, very easy to work with. And the best thing is when the workers come into work and everyone says, wow, it's so much cleaner. It's like, wow, Sadie, what do you think of these new cleaning people? I'm like, they're great. I'm very happy. What do you think? And they're like, well, I don't know, but you know, they do the little roses on the toilet paper and they do the little fans with the tissue box. I think they're kind of showing off. I'm like, well, I think that they should because I have no complaints. Some of the issues that we had were our floors were never completely clean. So if your floors are never completely clean, then you can always feel that you're just not clean in general. And then our bathrooms always never seem to be quite clean enough. And I think that Jean has said that our bathrooms weren't clean at all. So it's nice to know that they're clean now and that we weren't just crazy. But we've been so happy with Boston Quality Cleaners, with everything that they've done with our office space and just their response and the way that they've worked. They're very professional and it's been such a pleasure working with them. So, you know, thank you, Jean, for everything that you've done. Thank you, Marli. You are so wonderful. And I cannot say enough good things about them.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.